Hey, welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, you saw the title, right? How to earn $24,000 a year doing absolutely nothing. I'm sure you was like, man, I'm about to get this clickbait, right? I'm about to watch this garbage, this BS. Well, you're wrong, because it actually is possible to earn this type of money doing absolutely nothing, right? Now, how is this possible? How can you make this happen? I'm gonna tell you right now. You have the possibility to earn over $24,000 a year by simply becoming a LiveGood affiliate. All right, it's that simple. All right, now if you haven't heard of LiveGood yet, it's one of the hottest online business opportunities out there right now. Thousands of people are joining this opportunity, and maybe you heard of it and you're like, oh, I don't know if it's real, if it's legit or not, I don't know. Trust me, it is. All right, so one of the things that stand out about this opportunity is that you can actually earn over $2,000 a month without having to recruit or sell anything. All right, now let me keep it all the way real with you. I'm gonna break it down. How is this possible? All right, so whenever you join LiveGood, keep in mind this is an affiliate marketing / network marketing opportunity. All right, so whenever you join LiveGood and you decide to become an affiliate, it's a one-time $40 fee. This allows you to pretty much earn an unlimited income by promoting the LiveGood opportunity. Now, once you are affiliate, you all set up, you can now promote the opportunity, right? But because you paid that $40, affiliate fee, and you're paying your $9.95 a month, even if for whatever reason you just suck at marketing, or you just don't want to promote at all, that's not your thing, you can actually sit back, don't do nothing, keep your membership active, $10 a month, right? And just wait for what they call spillover. Now, spillover is pretty much where the people above you, right? The people that you came in under, you're hoping that they busting their ass, right? They doing what they got to do. And just, more and more people are coming into the company. More and more people are coming into the people above you team. Eventually, the people above you, their matrices, is that right? Their matrices, whatever. Their matrix is going to fill, right? And people are going to start dropping down to you, right? Automatically, they're just going to drop down. And you get paid on everybody underneath you. That's just how it works. You get paid on everybody that's underneath you, right? So if you decide to do that and you haven't done a damn thing, ultimately when your matrix fills up, it's gonna earn you $2,047.50 every single month. All right, $2,000 a month, and you didn't do anything. Now listen very clearly. There is no guarantee that you're going to fill your matrix. There's no guarantee of how long it will take you to fill your matrix, right? So a lot of people, they sign up and they're like, where my $2,000 at? I've been active 3 months. Where the hell is it? This is a scam. No, come on, man. You watching this. Like, you come on, right? You know how this works. Like, people have to join, right? The people above you have to fill their matrix, and when it happens, you will get spillover. That is a fact, right? But keep this in mind on the positive side. Some people get stuck on that $2,000 thing, but guess what? A lot of people, and they're already getting spillover money. It's not $2,000, but a lot of people, they're getting $100 extra a month, $300 extra a month. And they ain't even doing nothing. They're literally paying their $10. They're staying active, and they're already getting a couple $100 a month. If that's not dope as hell, tell me what is, right? This is why I'm so excited about this opportunity. This is why I promote the hell out of LiveGood. I take their products and I talk about it all the time because of that, the earning potential. But, all right, me personally, that's nice and all to get to $2,000, hopefully, you know what I'm saying? And it might take a year, it might take 3 years to get 2,000. assuming I'm not doing nothing, right? But damn all that, I'm going hard because the leaders already, there's leaders in LiveGood making $10,000 a month, $20,000 a month already from LiveGood. And the company's only 5 months old. All right. So I'm on that level, but the video is about how to earn $24,000 a year. Where does that come from? $2,000 a month. If you fill your matrix, right? 2,000 times 12 months in a year, that's $24,000 doing nothing, right? You're doing nothing but just staying an active member. If that ain't dope, like I said, tell me in the comments what is. All right. But like I said, I want to make way more than $2,000 a month. Maybe you do, maybe you don't. But either way, you definitely should get down with LiveGood. And you can do that right now by clicking that first link in the description, taking the 5-minute LiveGood tour, and jumping on the team. And I will see you on the team.